Ever wanted to learn how to code a video game? Speak Spanish or draw a perfect 3D dragon? You don't need to wait for a class.
You have a superpower right at your fingertips, AI.
Think of AI as your ultimate 24/7 study buddy.
Here is how you can use it to learn anything new. First, ask it to explain hard topics. If a textbook is confusing, just tell AI,
Explain this to me like I'm 10 years old.
Instantly, it becomes simple and fun. Next, let AI build a custom learning plan. It can create step-by-step guides, daily schedules, and even fun quizzes just for you.
Finally, use it to practice.
You can chat with AI to learn a new language, or ask it to check your homework and explain your mistakes. AI doesn't do the thinking for you. It makes your brain stronger. What do you want to learn today? Go ask AI.